The Coraline House, built in 1860. Upstate New York's most significant historic home. Its Second Empire-style, mansard roof and original craftsmanship make it rare and valuable, but years of neglect have left the roof collapsed, floors failing and walls unstable. We're working with the New York State Historic Preservation Office to get it listed on the National Register, which opens doors to preservation funding and emergency stabilization grants. Right now, every donation helps. Whether it's money, materials, or expertise, your support can save this house from being lost forever. Together, we can preserve its history, its stories, and its unique architecture for future generations. Join us. Follow, share, or donate to help save the Coraline House today. Endangeredplaces.org is where you can make a donation. And if anyone has any advice, please contact us. Thank you.